Dependable laser light source. DuraCore laser light source eliminates lamp and filter replacements for up to 30,000 hours of low-cost and virtually maintenance-free operation. IPX6 dust resistance rating ensures optical engine durability. 4K HDR input. HDR10 HLG technologies enable brigher whites and deeper black levels for an enhanced viewing experience of images and videos. Lights on viewing. With an incredible 4000 lumens of brightness, project in any room in the house, including family rooms, theater or game rooms. Easy image setup. 1. 3x zoom and plus 30-degree vertical keystone correction enable flexible installations. Project a 120 image from 1071310 away. Home cinema picture quality. 1080p, 1920x1080 resolution. With 4K input. And an incredible 300,000:1 contrast ratio renders sharp and detailed images from high-definition content without downscaling or compression. Movies gaming. Connect the latest 4K UHD HDR media players, game consoles and other digital sources for big screen movies, gaming and more to experience outstanding color and detail. Get smart. Connect a 4K UHD HDMI dongle such as the Fire TV Stick 4K, Google Chromecast Ultra, or Apple TV 4K to play games, stream videos and share photos. Quiet operation. The low 32 decibels noise level in eco mode ensures movies can be viewed without interference from the projector's operation sounds. Full 3D. The HZ39HDR displays true 3D content from almost any 3D source, including 3D Blu-ray disc players, 3D broadcasting, and the latest generation game consoles. Support for 120 Hz rapid refresh rate provides ultra-smooth flicker-free images. 3D glasses required, sold separately. Enabled for home automation. Set up complete network control, a perfect solution for home environments. LAN RS-232 enable control via Crestron. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect projector. This is a very good projector. First I had HD20 for a few years, then I upgrade to HD62 with 3D capability. Then lately I upgrade again for this one, HZ39HDR. I find the image color much better and more defined, with deeper blacks. The image latency is also faster. It uses less power, better efficiency, and the fan noise is quieter. The reliability of this projector is supposed to be 10x better with a MTBF of 20,000 hours on the light source, laser instead of lamp.